Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to another stream. Let's see what we can do today. Where are my where is my chat? Here. Alright. So yeah, yesterday we split the shader for the ray tracing and finding of the octree node that we need to touch basically. So that's fine and works. So now I think today I actually want to look at the UI because we need to do some UI work as well for the editor for this terrain in terms of like brushes and stuff like that. Yeah. So maybe we take it a little bit slower today. Yesterday I wanted to do that, but then I got sidetracked with that one, or like with the change of the shaders. But yeah, we are at this state basically where we have like here the brush, and when we click we get back the octree node that we hit that we potentially need to change. So that's the good part about it. I'm still not sure about the offset. We will tackle that as well at some point. And then I as well got a beautiful message from Captain Chica in Discord with some valid suggestion. Changing this. Is this even used? I doubt it's used anywhere. Yeah. But can do a struct like that. Like that. And that should be a little bit better. But again, it's not really used currently. Let's actually commit that right away. Alright, so we have that done. Alright. Yeah, UI. So probably we want to have here a bool. Or maybe not a bool, maybe an enum. Raise, lower, flatten. Maybe a smooth? Is a flatten and smooth the same? Not quite sure. Actually, I think I had a list somewhere. Let me guess. Let me quickly double check. I think I had a list somewhere of like the tours that I want to have. So raise, lower, flatten, smooth. Probably a noise. And that's about it. Maybe we do a stamp or something like that. Maybe something like that. Along those lines. Alright. And then we basically have to build that thing, right? So probably terrain panel. Do I need to? Where else do we have something like that? Components panel probably. Do I need to begin? No, I just do that. Or what? No, I think the components panel is a little bit... Is the terrain panel a real... No, it's not, okay. Maybe begin child? Let's see what that does for now. Because, I mean, that's basically what we want to do. Maybe I should have committed some stuff that I already have in my change list, but nah. Although that would have been a good intermediate step, right? Maybe we still do that. Maybe I still commit everything I have. Is it not? Where the hell is it? It's down here. Ah, that's not really what I want. Actually, that's not at all what I want. Child flags. Maybe, but I would want the like kind of floating thing. Not even sure if that is the way to do it. I mean, yeah, maybe that's not what we want. Scene, view, port, scene editor. How could I render that as part of the scene viewport? Can I do that? Okay, kinda. Or maybe we don't want that. Begin pop-up model? What's a child frame? Let's see. I would want like a toolbar similar to what you have in Unity or Unreal. Not like this. Hey Captain Chico. Thanks for the suggestion. I changed the U64 already. The U28. That was a valid thing. I didn't like that. I don't know. I don't like it that it's being maybe an array. I mean, it can be an array as well. I don't care too much. I thought that might be maybe more explicit what it is. It could be an array as well. I don't really have a strong opinion on that. For the prefix, I think you meant like this Onyx, right? With the double prefix, because I guess you meant like the U is like one prefix and you Onyx is the other prefix. Yeah, the thing is, that is true outside of the project, which kind of makes it a little bit... Yeah. That's interesting. I see what you mean, and I agree. Especially like in the game project, that is kind of annoying. Because here you would have Onyx U32. Yeah, I agree. I never really thought about outside of the namespace. The main reason why I wanted it to have like the lowercase one is inside of the engine. I don't really like to just write U32. I know it's like more precise, but I don't know. Where was that actually? I think it was in Anvil and in Snowdrop. So in Ubisoft they always had a prefix before. But they were not using namespaces too much. Or like, they were using namespaces, but yeah. You mean like that this is optional with that macro or what? Yeah, maybe. Yeah, I will think about it. Another option would be moving them outside of the namespace, right? Like just moving those out. I'm not sure if that makes too much sense either. Maybe I do that, yeah. Maybe I move it outside of the namespace. Like those types that have the prefix, right? Yeah, exactly. But I mean, that's why it's prefixed, right? But yeah, I will think about it. It's definitely a valid criticism slash suggestion. So I'm not too sure. How can you do that with Imgui? Let's open my browser. Let's try to find. Is the music loud? No, actually it should be fine. Imgui toolbar. Yeah, okay. Oh my god, really? Do I need to log in? It's a phone verification, right? Here. Oh my god, mistyped. How to do a toolbar UI. Okay. Yeah. Enjoy your dinner. Or maybe, yeah, maybe it's not dinner, but yeah, enjoy that. I mean, it's nice to have people over. Okay, well then, enjoy dinner. No docking, no title, no resize, no move, no scroll bar, no saved settings. Okay. So maybe we do that. So we do... Nice. Good luck, yeah. Imgui. Set next window flags. Yeah. Ah, it's not that, right? It's just flags and then... Then we do a border size, which we can do different, but that's fine for now. And then we do this, which I'm not quite sure if we want to. Toolbar size 50, okay. Menu bar height. Doesn't even specify it. Okay, cool. But let's see what that does. It breaks, perfect. Oh yeah, makes sense. See, so that's why we do scoped ImGUI style. I mean, kinda. Not really. Okay, cool. Okay, I mean, that's good enough. Let's do plus ImGUI get style. Frame or like window padding maybe. Although the size is probably irrelevant, right? Huh? Oh. Scoped style, of course. A little better, but not really. Wonder if there's a better way. Maybe I just do a begin chart. Hmm. Let's do that. Alright, I mean, maybe-ish. Let's see what that does. Frame padding maybe. Because I want to get that off the edge here. Okay, that's better. But why is that not good enough then? Maybe it's window padding? Or content actually? Content region? Get top left. Plus style dot win frame padding maybe. Okay. And that is scene view window size X. Something along those lines. Almost. Why? Okay, maybe not. Maybe it's window size? Or maybe it is size here actually. Because the content might be bigger, right, if we have a scroll bar. Which is probably why it exploded. Yeah. But actually maybe we ditch that. And let it auto size. What if we do -1 here? Nope. What is it? Do you not like... Is it like that? Okay. Ah, there it is. Good. And then probably frame style as well. Because I think that will give us maybe some padding. Yeah. Perfect. Good. Then I want to have raise, smooth, whatever. Flatten. What else? Flatten, smooth, noise, and stamp. And we will change this to icons in a second. I want to do one more thing. I'm going to begin. So I don't really want to have a horizontal layout per se. But I think it's the only thing I can do, right? I would want it to be able to be flipped. But I'm not sure if that's easily doable. Imgui flip horizontal vertical layout. Yeah, I'm not sure if we can do that. I mean, maybe you can move it, right? How does that look? Oh, actually, you cannot move it or what? Is it because we don't have a title bar? Oh, where? Oh, okay, that's the window flags. Yeah, maybe we cannot move it then? So if we have a title bar, I guess we can move it. is my assumption. Okay, maybe not. Hey. Okay, let's move the other way. Or is it because we don't have a border? Questions over questions. But it doesn't seem to do a whole lot. Let's remove that. Let's remove that. And then we should be able, in my opinion, to goddammit move it. We're not. Why? Okay, Imgo child window, not. Oh, is it? Oh, I'm stupid. I'm going condition first. First use ever. Where did it go? Oh, well, and then we don't do that, right? Okay. Just disappears. So if the scene view window, let's see what is going on here. Is the size maybe off or something like that? I mean, that doesn't look so bad. This one always works, so what? Huh. But why? Do we have IMGUI settings? Temp. Terrain? No. See, that's kind of weird. It maybe that not setting that? Why do we have a pause? Okay. Hello, welcome back. Glad you are. I didn't have any doubts that you would come back. Just fine. Okay, but where is... Okay. Whatever. Where is the position? Where is the hell position? What is the position here? Oh yeah, it is. Okay, 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 okay. I mean, the position looks fine. Why would it not be visible then? Where the hell is my panel? Why does that not work? Let's do 450 for now. Sure. Always up for some funny stories. There. Oh. That's so bizarre. Today I went north towards Villasar twice instead of down twice. Okay. Ah, you already moved. Where? Yeah. That's not so good then. But I mean, Villasar is a nice city, so why not go there? Okay, let's try begin and end. I don't know. Because I'm a little bit lost. Okay, so that shows up where it should. And is that now updated here? 904. Well, that's not really updated. Then again, maybe it shouldn't. But why would it not work with begin and end child? Let's do that maybe. That's funny. Okay, well that doesn't really work how I would want it to work. I'm not quite sure what's going on. Why it would fail. I'm really not sure why that... Set next window. Maybe we need to satisfy the viewport? I have no idea. Ah, that's unfortunate. That is really unfortunate. That is sucks. Am I blind? Like, no, I'm not. But so that works somewhat. Still, yeah, that works. But then I cannot do that, which kind of sucks. What if I do begin and end? But set like that viewport thing. What does that do? Does that make it that it's gone if... Why can I not move it? Ah, cannot move it because that. No, but that's not really what I want. So I really would want to have that. Let's not do that for now, I don't know. Where does it pop up then? Not at all. Cool. Is it because it saves? No. Oh my god, I hate it. Oh wait, but... Yeah, that's garbage, right? Because we want to probably do imgui begin this. Then imgui end. No? Oh. Of course, like that. Well, unfortunate. Oh, there it is. The only question is, how do we... Does that work? Guess not. What? Why? Why is it so stupid? Is it because we... No, it's not right. We rendered the viewport first. Yeah. But actually, maybe we render that within the viewport. Because then we can just skip that. And that should give us a little bit more help here. And then the question is, do I need... Okay. Do I need to maybe... do that and it's better? It's a little bit bizarre, to be honest, how to do that window. I really just want a toolbar that can be moved around in the scene view. How hard can it be? Seems like very hard. Seems like very hard. Because for some reason we cannot move it. But I mean, that one kind of works, right? I think the problem is that we could move it, but it was not... It's not linked to the viewport. Next window. I mean, maybe viewport. But I don't think that this changes anything. Yeah, exactly. The thing is, we render our terrain panel here. Or maybe we don't render a window. Maybe we render a group. That you can somehow move. Yeah, probably we would need to do something like that, but probably then in vertical terrain toolbar. Something along those lines. And then we don't need that. But how do we do that, Imgui? And is it then that we need to do the scene editor? Yeah, I'm not sure if that's the best. Probably. Something like that. Okay, maybe not. What's the align? Basically, I want to set it to that, right? I mean, is it cursor pause or screen cursor pause? That I'm not quite sure. Oh, okay, I mean, close enough. But now we cannot move it, of course. And we don't have a background and nothing like that. So we need all of that logic, which kind of sucks. But probably that's the way to go. Something like that. Oh, oops. Yeah. So that would be horizontal. I would actually, do we have Unreal installed? Yeah. I want to try something. UX wise. I'm not sure if they have it in the new, like in the 5, Unreal Engine 5. I seem to remember in the old one there was a toolbar that you can flip vertically and horizontally. Not sure if that still exists. Let's open that one. The other one is broken. Oh my god, we need to load again. I love Unreal. Not. So the thing is, can I... Okay, well that one is not possible. Oh god, no. I'm not sure if it even exists anymore. The thing I'm thinking of. Maybe it doesn't. Yeah, maybe that is actually not a thing anymore. Why is it even in German? God damn it. Why is it in German? I never set it to German. And my operating system is not in German either. So what the hell is going on here? Why would you? Thank you. Well, that's... I guess they removed all of it. Or like, maybe I'm as well wrong. I mean, I might be as well wrong. Damn. I mean, that's nice, right? It's already this far that you don't notice. Ah, that's all not really what I want. Okay, so this is how it works. It collapses into that direction if that happens. Huh. Well, well, well. Oh, I see you have. Interesting. Okay, yeah, scarped, erase, smooth, flatten, ramp. I mean, then we can kind of. No, don't destroy. Don't destroy his world view. I mean, okay. That's fascinating. What is that? Ah. Oh, okay. That's interesting. Does it say that it's... Oh yeah, shift click to lower. Crazy. That's pretty cool. Ah. Auto rotate. What was... How about it? What does it auto rotate based on? Ah. It's to paint like a road-like thing. Okay, I see. Oh, that's cool. What is a clay brush? What's the difference? Whatever. How does that work? Is it... You select an area. Copy data. Huh? No. That's not really what I wanted. Oh, what? Huh? Where? How come that you're stuck there? Or whatever. Don't really care about any of that stuff anymore, so it unfortunately doesn't have what I wanted. Oh well. Close, go away. I think I'm too done today already to continue. That UI is not really motivating me. Probably we will go back to like to the actual shader work next, and the UI we will try to do last because it doesn't really make me too happy on to work on the UI. I thought I can get it quicker and probably not in the way that I would want it. Unfortunate. I mean, maybe I will do it as well off stream because the UI is not really that interesting anyways. Ah, wait, sorry. Okay, well, interesting. Yeah, job interview on a Saturday is kind of weird. Oh, nice. I will have a couple of vacation days coming up as well, which I will use to work on Onyx a full day. I will have in October and November every Monday off, and I will do probably streams during the day then for like 2 months on Mondays. At least that's the plan. Let's see if I can stick to that. But yeah, we will call it a day for today. I'm a little bit exhausted again from work. I should get a little bit better as well in the next couple of weeks as well, because yeah, currently it's a little bit busy. That being said, tomorrow there will be probably not a stream. If there is a stream, then later in the afternoon, because I have a family event. And Sunday there will be no stream, so yeah, I will try to be here tomorrow, that we can keep going a little bit. But then yeah, next week, Monday, we start again. And hopefully I can stick to the schedule for once. Even though the schedule says Wednesday, I want to move most of my streaming. Like I want to stream more often, let's put it that way. Because it pushes the progress, and I got a little bit lazy with it. And I want to get this done before Captain Chica has his first child. So I have 9 months. No, just kidding. No pressure. Yeah. Have a nice rest of your evening. We see each other tomorrow. Somewhere later in the afternoon, probably 4 or 5, something around that time. Yeah, cool. Thank you very much though, and have a nice rest of your evening. Thank you, Captain Chica, as well, for all the input. I really appreciate it. I'm not against any suggestions about improving the code in my engine, so yeah, I will take those recommendations and we'll think about them. You have a nice 7 hours of work tomorrow, and yeah, then you can turn on the stream afterwards. Exactly. I have 9 months and more for now. Yeah. Enjoy the time with well, your fiance and, I mean, father-in-law and stuff like that. And yeah, have a nice evening. Bye bye. No, we don't do that. We stick with the 9 months plus. It's a better open end. Bye.